Okay, this is the Fur Trade Centre. You can read the information there in English.
Later.
Maybe. Go away.
Okay, are we waiting?
No, la, shukran.
5 Egyptian. 45 make around. Go to market.
But they sell various things. Were you asking, are they all made in Egypt or? Some really nice things. Ceramics and pots, bags.
Hello.
Hi. You okay? Excellent, thank you. Thank you. I'm just making a little film for my friends back home. Yeah. All made in Egypt. Yeah. Yeah. And this is alabaster. If you shine a light through that, that may be a bit thick, but it shows some beautiful colours and patterns. Yeah. And these little trays are really nice. Like that one is 380 Egyptian. So a good price at the moment, with the exchange rate being 22 Egyptian at the moment. These nice little jewellery or knick-knack boxes. 190 Egyptian. But there's a lot of work gone in. Oh, you can't see that. Duh. There's a lot of work gone into that. It's all hand cut and handmade. Must take ages to do that. That green one's nice. Yeah, I like that. That's 220 Egyptian. Yeah, they're really good. The wall plaques. Cotton wool for shopping bags, smaller bags for other things.
اللي هو الحلو ده خالص ده وصح غالي شويه بس خامته احسن من السجاد الثاني
والله العظيم ارقى واحسن من السجاد
شرقيين ما تلاقيش
ولا تقولي لي ايراني ولا
That's metal.
مصر الا مصر
والله يعني لا فعلا الخامه بتاعتهم.
I have one similar to that in orange in my house.
ايوه لا دي بتمسك في الارض.
I like these lamps because when you have one of these switched on in a semi-darkened room, this patternation, the patterns it puts on the walls and ceiling, magnificent. Yeah. Yeah. Shukran, thank you very much. We've got some really nice things in here. Twirly doll. And that's 90 Egyptian for that little pot. And God, it's heavy. It really is heavy. You can see the light inside. Mortar and pestles. Ducking hell, he's got 3 of these. Loads more baskets.
Egyptian woman do guy.
Yes, it's called a mortar and pestle. You being the pest.
Oh, that was so rude.
She has to touch everything. The candlesticks are nice. There'd have been a market for those in the good old days when we had power cuts every single week of the year. Fortunately, all my... No, that's for going around the neck, Kalia. Yeah. And they have the first one at birth, and then every year, 18 months, they put another on until the neck is like 3 foot long, which is handy for looking over walls. No, African tribes do it. And they also do the same with the earlobe.
Yes.
So they end up with big rings like that in their ears.
I think this for hands.
Yes, it is. I'm just joking about the neck, because how would you get it on?
Yeah.
For a start, that wouldn't go over your head. Marshy? Oh, I have some of these in my garden because they're actually, you can't see, lamp fittings. So the connector's on the wall behind there, the connector sticks out, you put your bulb on and all the light shines through. I've got 2 or 3 in the garden, that shape but longer, and 3 in the pool room. They look nice. Yeah, that's a little extra vlog for you. Nearly dropped the phone then, just stopped off a little coffee cum restaurant. It's quite nice inside actually. Merry Christmas. We're again overlooking Luxor Temple. Not many coffee houses with that view. Of course, I just want a cappuccino, but Kalia being Kalia wants fruit juices, this, that and the other, and she always picks the most expensive item on the bloody menu. How much? Oh my god. So, we're now back on the new frontage of Luxor Temple. And we're about to go up those stairs to visit the famous mosque. What's the name of this mosque, Kalia? Abdul Habjad. And this is Abdul Habjad Square. It's quite nice here now, as I said on the previous vlog. Nice and clean, plenty of places for the people to sit. They've even got recycling bins for plastic, glass and other things. That's a first for Egypt. And that's where you go to buy your ticket to get in the temple. Just go over to this dirty little area to discard my cigarette. Dirty being the operative word. That's the pylon. My legs don't like stairs now. Living on the ground floor. Lots of little rug rats running up and down. Take your shoes off. I only did this once. First holiday. £120 per of timberland
floor to the books inside.
ماشي شكرا لك. هو بعد اذنك عايز يصور جوا ممكن عشان بيعمل فيلم لاصحابه.
مفيش مشكلة.
ممكن حضرتك تبقى معايا يعني.
Thank you.
Have a
شكرا.
nice
شكرا.
time to Egypt.
شكرا.
It's
شكرا.
alright, come on.
Give me your shoes. I will hold.
حطي هنا.
Put them on there.
هنا. ونسيتوا ايه؟
انجليزي.
انجليزي.
Yes.
Welcome to your second home from England people.
It is my second home as well.
It's alright, come on. See the
Well,
first.
I was going to walk round first.
Up to you.
Then I'll come back.
See, always,
Yeah.
all, no problem. And if you would you like, I talk to you about the mosque here, from to the program from the mosque. It's alright.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. This is the mosque, the very old one.
Yeah, it's Abdul Habjag, isn't it?
Abu al-Haggag.
Yeah.
Abu al-Haggag
Yeah.
mosque.
Sorry, yeah. Yeah.
You stay for this place 800 years ago.
Yeah. 800.
Yeah.
Wow. No, it's
And to the temple, you stay 4,000 years.
Yeah. Yeah.
More than 4 maybe.
Yeah.
This is to the first tombs.
Yeah.
The same family from Abu al-Haggag tombs.
Yeah. And how old is this tomb?
800 also the same.
800 years.
And Abu al-Haggag, if we come in here, she make it the mosque. But
Yeah.
he come from 800.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very
You
much.
see the original stone also?
Yeah. Stuck with this guy now.
Here, yeah.
Yeah. Looks very nice.
The mosque here was the temple together.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks really nice. And over there we have inside the temple scaffolds for restoration work and statues. Sorry about the bars, but there's nothing I can do about that.
افتح سليم. سليم. افتح طيب.
It's a bit better. Just hope I don't drop my phone. There's no chance of ever getting it back.
To the Ramses second and to the family of Ramses.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I've been around many times because I've lived here 12 years in Karnak.
Sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Very good, yeah. 12 سنة عندكم؟ اشتري بيت ولا
مين يعني مين على تلفوني طب قولي لي اخي عم تدوي اصلا عشان تستعبط
Just see the Nile.
عم تدوي
I personally don't rate this. It's Karnak temple's far nicer.
She's a well like kilometer. To the well,
Yeah.
like kilometer. If you Nile high die, you see from here.
Yeah.
Kilometer.
Ah. Yeah.
This is the well from to the temple, but if we make it to the mosque, you stay in the mosque now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But they pump the water out now from beneath,
The
don't
water
they?
we coming from the Nile, not far
Yeah.
from here. Yeah. And here also
It's going to cost me.
the new minaret.
Yeah, the minaret. Yeah.
This is
Yeah.
new minaret.
Yeah.
From another side, I show you old minaret.
Yeah. Yeah. At least it's cool under the feet, having it carpeted.
And this is a kilom from to the temple, the same this one.
Yeah.
This one is the same this one,
Yeah.
and to the mosque you stay in the building.
Yeah, same frontage.
Yes.
See the problems you give me suggesting coming here? Yes. Oh, it's the sun, it's bright. Yeah.
ما براحته هو لو عايزك تساعدني الحاجة.
What time are we meeting the others? Is it 15:15?
After
More beautiful from another side, you will
Yeah.
see it. Yeah.
inside or not.
Yeah. No, we'll meet him in McDonald's and come back and go inside.
ماشي تمام.
It's alright, this is up to you. You're
Yeah.
welcome anytime.
No, we've arranged to meet friends.
Okay, okay.
Quarter past.
Enjoy it, enjoy it.
حياتي معاه إن شاء الله.
So
Inshallah.
my idea was to do outside and then spend more time inside.
Okay.
Yeah.
Welcome
So,
anytime.
yeah. Okay, that's switched off until we return.